Muvia wa Useseei ngwatanio na ula wa muuo wa Nthini niwavingua Sivitali wa National Police Service Level 4 Hospital kieleeloni kinene cha kumanthia maovisaa ma Useseei uiiti, wina, withianu, kumanwa na uito wa uthukumi wa kuseseea nthi na kutuumanya muuo. Sivitali ula unakiwe kwa kimanza cha bilioni 1.2 withiwa na uuniko munene kana ne uuniko munene kwa makili ma maovisaa ma Useseei pamwe na misiyo tondo mwandikito Benjamin Mwaka ukuelesyo.
Muvia wa polisi na itano wa kathi ya ngwatanio ya vakuvi ya uthukumi na ileto neisye wake wa Sivitali wa polisi wa level 4 mutano wa mbangathi vamusini lovi kwa kimanza cha silingi bilioni 1.2 na ula wavingua kwi umunthi.
When I see the collaborative arrangements in terms of programs, projects, where our KDF and the National Police Service are working together, I am a very happy minister.
Nthini wa chathi kila cha kuhusiwa ni maminista Haden Ndwale wa muuo wa nthi na Profesa Kithure Kindiki wa Useseei wa Nthini aeli ni mawata kuvingwa kwa Sivitali huu kuitetesya maovisaa ma Useseei kuma kaliko isi kukwata uiiti, wina, withianu, kumanwa na uito wa uthukumi wa kuseseea nthi.
Our personnel who are serving this country in very difficult and dangerous situations, those in the front line, in the fight against terror and other dangerous organized crimes, including banditry. We are sure going forward, now they have a facility in the event that they get hurt by the enemy. They have a place they can be evacuated for treatment instead of going to private facilities.
Ingi misi ya maovisaa ma Useseei yithiwa ifso ya kutetheka na uiiti kuma Sivitali niyo vala yu ungami wa Sivitali wakule wikithye uiiti ni waila o ndumwe na maendeleo ma kiuthukumi.
This hospital has already been equipped using modern health equipment. As we have seen during our tour, it is poised to provide comprehensive healthcare services to the National Police Service members, their family, and the community.
Angiala meichathi ni kini wamwe na munini wa Munene waita General John Omeda na munini wa Inspector Munene wa polisi Douglas Kanja katwa maovisaa ange ma Useseei.
And I also want to charge those that are responsible for running this institution to make sure that the facilities that have been put here, the buildings and the medical equipment, are maintained in good order so that the good standards that we see here today are not run down.
Vilingwa mauvoku vamusini wa ilovi nita wa Benjamin Mwaka.